That one is speech tag. Yeah, tell them say this is Little Dungiver, yeah? Dungiver in Windsor, yeah.
The waterfall has a profound impact on visitors, leaving a lasting impression on all who sees it. Its beauty and historical significance makes it a must-see attraction within the park. Next up is the mysterious ruins, also known as the ruins of Leptis Magna. Time, weather, and human activity have all played a part in shaping the ruins into their current state.
Yes, this is a Leptis Magna ruin in Virginia Water. This has been restored in 2009 to preserve the heritage of the ruin. This is one of the most popular features in Virginia Water, as you can see, so people take it all in.
The stories behind these ruins are not just about grand designs and royal ambitions. They also speak of simpler times, of people who lived and worked in the park. From the workers who built these structures to the aristocrats who enjoyed them, the ruins of Virginia Water is a highlight of the park's heritage. They offer a glimpse into the area's history and culture.